What do you think about Mixer being shut down, says Law Gaming TV with a $3 donation? Well, I think clearly something had to change, right? From a business standpoint. I mean, the results were in and a lot of investment happening. You know, the data, the results, they don't lie. You know, Microsoft invested a lot in Mixer and trying to get some big names involved, try to get the momentum on their side. It seemed like it just didn't pay off.
Reality check. Those moves, they're not doing anything for the platform. You can't pay for a community. You can't buy viewership. It's right here. The Twitch community, it's built on video games. It's built on communities. So get your flappy gums. I'm sick and tired of seeing it. I'm sick and tired of hearing about it. Play a goddamn Prime ad.
Nate the Goat, thank you for the $3. Doc, what are your thoughts on Mixer shutting down and moving to Facebook? Me, personally, am laughing my ass off. I don't know if that's anything. I mean, you know, there's probably a lot of people that are being laid off or, you know, there's jobs involved. So that's definitely not something to laugh about. But something just wasn't clicking. Mikey, Milkshake, thank you for the $15 donation. Who are you more worried about taking your Twitch crowd? Highlighter Hair Ninja or Scooter Boy Shroud? Oh, God, come on, man. Why is it got to be a competition? Like, everything's got to be a competition, right? And that's how it should be. I don't think Ninja's going to go to Twitch. I think YouTube will sign Ninja, and he'll move over to YouTube, and then they'll try to secure Shroud as well. I think if they only land Ninja, I think that's good for Ninja. From a business standpoint, if Ninja goes to YouTube, I think that's a good one. Allows him to build like a nice, fresh community off his channel of 15 million plus subscribers, and I think Courage JD probably is giving him a lot of confidence to make a decision like that because Courage is really doing well on YouTube, right? Shroud, I don't know. I think Shroud will probably assess. I have a feeling Shroud might just come back to Twitch. In fact, I think he would. I don't see him going to YouTube. Twitch is the streaming platform, right? I think for someone like, because Shroud has a hardcore following, and if he comes to Twitch, boom, he's right back in the mix. I think if Ninja comes to Twitch, I don't know if his community is as, like, I don't think it's as big. And I mean, yeah, he's got the numbers and everything, but I don't, he doesn't have like a hardcore following community. You know what I mean? I think a lot of it was sort of based off the momentum of Fortnite and sort of the younger generation of gamers and stuff like that, that's his brand. If I'm Ninja, I'm talking like how do you keep the momentum going? You got to kind of mix things up a lot, you know? I think ultimately though, like wherever they go, the impact isn't going to be like big or anything in my opinion. I think the impact of Mixer going over to Facebook as a platform kind of shakes up the streaming space a little bit and makes things interesting from that standpoint to see what Facebook has in their plan, their pipeline. Obviously, they got a ton of resources, a ton of cash, and they saw nothing but growth all last year.
Oh, thanks, Doc, for welcoming me back. Yeah. I knew all along that I was going to get paid $10 million for 8 months of work. Doc.
Fuck! We're playing with Evan, who usually plays with Nick Merckx, but Evan decided, you know what? Doctor's has got a way better shot and is way better looking. So boom, Evan's with us now. And now and then we got Karma. Karma, you play a lot of Warzone?
I haven't really recently. I've played a little bit.
So you're fully retired from Call of Duty?
Yep.
Watch the skies.
Yes, sir.
Temporary or full, like, not coming back?
I think it's for good.
What if next year's Call of Duty title is just absolutely incredible and the multiplayer is something that we've wanted for a long time?
I feel like the entire game as a whole it would just have to be unreal. I don't know.
Gotcha.
I think I don't know.
Hostile dropping
kind of
into the
overplaying
area.
on PlayStation.
Training is over. Time to see what you have
PC
learned.
gaming's just so much better.
Oh man. You quit because of the audio, and I don't blame you. You retired. Excuse me.
I think there was a lot of factors with this game. Many. I might be dead. Yeah. Okay. Alright. I got one behind you. Oh, another one.
Two of them.
Oh.
Oh, it's behind you.
Oh, and behind you. Yeah.
Oh my god, I feel like they're not lagging.
Yeah.
Where was he? Right or left?
Right here.
Oh my god, dude, he
Three of them,
fucking shredded me. Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, they were all below that window that was at.
Get on the game. Flashing. Oh my.
Coming, Doc.
Other one. Oh my god, I knew there was another one. You know, 100 people left, 3 kills. I got 3. Two. I mean, we're okay. Well, I just went from 100 players to 80.
Another guy, right in front of me. Downed him. One more. The yellow house.
Yeah, right here.
Different team. There's 2 more.
That guy's cracked. One shot at the tree.
He's weak. Yep. Right. Yep, just slide.
Playing down.
One of them has self-res.
Oh, yeah. Probably the guy at the wall over here. Oh, he went in the house. Oh. I ran out of bullets. No.
Already just grabbed his loadout.
Yeah, he's over there.
He did. 2. Another one. Yep. Oh. What?
I'm just gonna run him over.
Run over there. Run on the outside.
There was inside.
And he's rezzing.
Down one. Ow.
Middle of the street. Oh, good night.
Different team.
Building?
Right here.
Yeah.
Has one shot across. Got him. Whoa. Green.
Yeah.
In the tank?
Yeah. Down.
Nice.
Another one.
Probably more, yeah.
He's one shot.
All dead.
Nice.
Moving.
There's another car coming from our left. Oh my god, my voice.
Oh, and a guy landing.
Down.
Don't worry, Evan. I won't clip that voice thing and send it to Nick.
Yeah, I don't want to talk about it. I didn't know what was going on there. Something, I don't know.
Uh-huh.
I went to the bridge. The one?
Yeah, that one. Oh. Nice.
Might have been a different team.
It is.
I'm looking for this guy inside. Oh, he's inside still.
Back door.
Yeah.
Nice.
You got it.
All dead.
C4 underneath.
Oh my god.
Okay.
This guy had some moves too, man.
Oh, right behind us? And literally in the airfield? Dead. The guys are flying. Right here. Focus armor.
Oh, good night.
Bro.
We go to the left though. There's a lot going down over there to the left. Let's go. Right here, yeah, see him?
Another one.
Another one on the river?
Left, coming from the river.
Yeah,
Nice.
down, missed though.
Just 2 teams.
Or it's 2, yeah. Another one up there broke his armor.
I think you're right. I think he did himself.
What? He jumped out the window. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh!
We'll get you back. Okay,
Oh
damn.
my god, I'm gonna
Yeah,
die.
They got some good shots.
Glad to blow up.
Dude, they got some shots to that cheat. Nice.
One's cracked. Oh, these guys are.
Swinging right. Down another one.
These guys are terrible!
Right now.
They're just trying to get up the hill.
Right up there, right in this corner.
One to the left.
Gonna eat nothing. Guys ain't nothing, man.
Oh, dead.
Got you?
Oh, one more thing. He's self-res, yeah, he's self-res up here.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
He's on the rock.
Boom, good night.
Nice. Nice shit, guys. Woo! Yes.
There were blue tracer. Oh, there's a guy in the field right there.
That's him. Spike him. Nice.
Other one got him.
On the wall over there. There's a guy over there.
Oh, there's two of them.
Down one.
Got him out self-res. I think you're good.
Yep, I got that.
The other nice.
Nice.
Like that.
Yeah, I got it.
Hopefully these guys have ammo.
Damn, they didn't have any armor for me.
No
Holy.
armor.
Oh, no.
No way.
Get on the corner. I got you. There's the whole team out there, Doc.
Yeah. They're hurting, I'll tell you that.
Yeah. One's close.
Yeah, he's dead.
Sir. One's down here on this rock.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so weak.
Down.
Nice Doc. You got he's self-res or something? Or there's two of them out there?
Got him again. Got them both. There we go.
The other team.
I got killed from the other guy. Y'all got this. 2v2. They bought a teammate back. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no, he's out front on the box one. 1v2. Oh, one's on me. Oh, 1v1.
He had no idea, Doc. He had no idea.
Look at that. 19, 18, 14. I like to see it. Bow, 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 bow.
Zone's coming in, so you're gonna have to hurry.
Coming in fast, huh?
Yeah, it's moving.
Oh boy.
You should be able to make it, I think. Oh, it's gonna be close. I don't know. Oh, this car's to your right too. Back out the way.
Was that the play?
I don't know. I don't know. This thing's so fucking slow. Oh my god! You need your loadout too. He said, "Was this the play?" I don't know.